we're going to be modifying the S4 with 4 crazy mods again. 3 videos in a row, and we're not going to stop modifying the car for one of you guys. Especially when we bought this car that nobody wanted from auction and then put in 1,000 hours bringing it back to life, and then wrapped the entire car our first time, which come out pretty crazy. We ripped the whole interior out and modernized it with the luxury Rolls Royce starlights. We carbon wrapped the interior trims, including the door card trims, and then replacing the single din radio to a double din to an Apple car radio. Then we had a chameleon tint installed, and then the entire car tinted. And boy does the car look crazy so far with this journey. But now I want to attempt building the first Audi Rs4 B6 in the world using Temu parts, to which we ran into some issues. But before we get into that, let's start with the first mod. You're looking at it right now. So you guys have said that this headlight is looking proper cloudy, but we thought we're going to go above and beyond by making some changes. And I'll show you guys right now. Bang! So we've basically got this package, changing the headlight completely into having angel lights. There you go. We're going to put it onto a battery to do a test and see how it looks. Ready? Mad. What's that thing called? Iron Man?
That doesn't look like a Jericho missile.
Just because it's a miniaturized arc reactor.
There you go, man.
Impressive.
Sick. Oh, so that means we're gonna install that onto the headlights and see how it looks. And in order to remove the lens from the headlight, you have to heat up the oil glue all around the lens, not just one part at a time. That's the mistake I made. Don't heat it too much because it will burn the actual headlight. Before pulling the lens apart, you must heat the glue all around the lens, then slowly getting each corner loose before actually ripping apart. This is no easy task, so be extra patient, unlike me, because you can seriously hurt yourself. Oh yeah, that's right. See, blood, sweat and tears. Do you guys want to have a go? Take a seat. I don't know why, but how these YouTubers make it look so easy. It's actually super easy. I'll probably end up turning into the Joker at the end of this. Ow! Bro, feel this? It's hot. Great.
That is quite hot.
Bro, we are gonna be here forever. I'll see you guys in 2050, yeah? And after a bit of perseverance and a bit of patience, it actually started to work, guys. We're basically going to be doing the same to the other headlight, so let's get to work. Finally, we did it! Took this lens away. Before we put the brand new lens on, we're going to modify this headlight and install some crazy angel eyes. And that's right, guys, those are not plug and play, so they need to be glued inside the headlight around the bulb frame and ready to dry in 24 hours. This will glue here like. And don't forget to put tape to keep it in place. Whilst waiting for that to dry, we thought it would be a good idea to spray the headlight cover where the headlight sits to black so it matches the theme, black and yellow. Now that looks 100 times better.
24 hours later.
And as you can see, like, it's proper solid now. It's not coming off on both the headlights. That is looking pretty slick. See these wires that are hanging out right here? We've got to sieve them through. There's like a hole right there. So if you push it through right there, this is an example going right across there. And here we are. We just need to plug them in. I'm not an electrician, so I don't know how I'm going to wire this up and make it work. So I've done a bit of digging, and a lot of people tend to use these from Halfords cable lock connectors. Basically, it's got connection for 2 holes. You stick it onto the OEM wire, then you stick the light one onto the cable connector, and that basically should get a connection for the halos to work. Right, this is now the best fit. Brand new lenses for the Audi S4. Before they were completely cloudy. That is looking so clean and brand new, guys. I just hope it's a perfect fit, and it's literally the same OEM lens as the other one. One of these from Germany, you're talking about over £100. So this is the old one and this is the new one. The only difference was, right, you know, with this one, the shine come out from the outside, but the problem was it was dusty from the inside. If you guys watch, if I do this, look how much dust there is in my hand. When we get this onto the headlight, and I really hope these halo lights work, because if they don't work and I seal this on, it's going to be game over. But we're about to find out when I put this on and put it in the car. That's a risk that we're going to have to take, so let's roll with it. Looks like it worked pretty well. So sick. It just comes to show you can get parts from China and it will still work with the OEM parts. Have trust, guys. Is this clear enough, guys? And to put the lenses onto the headlight together, we're going to be using clear sealant silicone so that the job is done properly, because this is made for headlights. Apply the glue in between the slots so then it's airtight, so no wild air can go in between, and then we leave that to dry and then we put it into the car. It's time that we install the second lens to the headlight. I know you all know the process already. This is looking sick! I can't wait for this to go on the car. I really do hope it works on the car, because if it doesn't, we have to take the lens off the headlight, and that is something I don't really want to do. It's now time for the next mod. Stay tuned to see the crazy results. Alright, the next mod is basically wind deflectors. So we're going to whack down the Audi Rs4 and see whatever we can do to this car in the exterior. Let's just do it. I've never done wind deflectors before. I'm not a crazy fan. Imagine trying to put it on, but then we break it. What's it on there? You're winning. Got a man like Mikey out. If you're watching this, the car's already on raffle, and I want you to go on live now because we just need to just get it out there. It just motivates us to work harder. Well, try to test fit to see what it looks like. Yeah, that's not bad, you know. I like that. It's a cool mod. Bit of wind in your face. Well, that's the whole point, right? It gets rid of wind. Now the headlight is fully dried up. It's now time to install it in the S4. Let's find out how this is going to look. I'm speechless. I can't believe how it's changed the headlight completely. So it's just nice to have that bottom bit of the headlight black, so it matches the theme black and yellow. It's almost there, but that is how it's looking right now, and that's why we're in. But that looks so sick. I'll let you guys be the judge on this one. So we've done one cable nut connector. We're going to do another one. Purple and yellow is earth. The brown one is negative. So that's positive and that's negative. So don't get confused by these two colours. It's all in. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Now we're going to put the leads on. You guys can check at the front while I'll give me 1 sec. Hope it work, guys. Bismillah. Why doesn't it work? Maybe I forgot to turn the switch. Does it work? It worked. Has it worked, guys? Yeah! Come on! Oh my days. This is mad. I'm speechless. You know, I honestly thought it's going to be rubbish and I'd have to buy some cheap ones, but oh god, how we put the covers, it's from China, it's from AliExpress, and I thought they were going to look rubbish, but I didn't think we were going to put it off, these headlights. It looks like a 2020 car. That is looking crazy. Look at this one. Look at that. It looks like Transformers. Bumblebee. It's on the main light. Bam. Look how bright it is now. Oh, I gotta close that bonnet now, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I just want to say it first now, yeah? If it wasn't for you guys dropping comments down below saying the headlights look a bit cloudy, like do them up. Because of your comments, this is what we achieved. Keep the comments going. Keep dropping the comments down below, guys. It means a lot. This is the highlight of this video you guys are watching. Look, we can't stop here. So if you guys enjoyed the headlight mod, stay tuned for what's coming next. For the next mod, we're going to be installing a front splitter. So let's do that now. And to do this job, I had to get 3 of my amigos from Spain to do the task I couldn't do myself.
The 3 amigos!
It's Fernando, man. If I want to get help, I gotta go all the way to Spain to get help.
55 entre dos.
Florian, you need to build race car, man.
We are waiting for the money.
Yeah.
Un poquito calor, mira. Hasta aquí perfecto. De aquí, de interior a interior. De aquí a aquí.
Vale, es que hemos hecho antes 32 y medio.
Vale.
Como lo hemos hecho antes, venga.
Pero es que mira, tú por ejemplo encaras aquí,
Sí.
¿vale? Lo pones,
Sí.
pero si ahora jugar vosotros con las esquinas, pero sin forzar. O sea, sí, claro.
Está
Entonces,
guapo ahí. Muerda ahí, tío. Esto tiene que quitar la nieve, tío. Un poco. Perfect.
Well, I can understand you guys laughing, but I would say, perda bichon. Man, learning Spanish, boys. We're going international.
50 y medio.
You guys make a team. So what is he doing now? Just measuring it, making sure it's perfect.
Before nothing, just see if it really can fit on it.
Algo hemos medio mal. O la de arriba la hemos tomado mal.
Ahí está. Pues esta la quitamos y se
Screwdriver.
There you go. The front splitter is now on, and I gotta admit guys, it makes the S4 look a lot more smarter. My amigos did a fantastic job, and what can I say? It looks amazing. But now let's see if they can wrap a car for their first time. And so we're doing the finishing touches and getting this car done. But we're going to apply it on one side, leave the other side black, because we don't know what's going to look better. But I'm going to put it on, and you guys can decide as well. Hold on. Get lined up.
But are you gonna race to the end?
It's okay, no problem. I'm going to do this separately.
Oh, okay.
You want to try it now?
I can try, yeah. It's fine.
Okay.
Brilliant. Hold it for me.
There you go. That's it.
If I burn your hands, let me know, yeah?
It's no problem, yeah. No. Chop done. Chop. Does it look better like that with the black trims? Would you guys prefer full black and yellow? Everybody's saying then that looks better or all black?
It looks more original.
Yeah. These guys are going to try wrapping for the first time. Be wrapping this section here. So let's see if these guys can do it. Yeah, go ahead.
Pienso que, claro,
I don't know if they're doing a good job, but we'll see if they do it or not. What do you guys think? Are they going to do the wrap done properly? Jose, not looking too bad, you know. First time as well. First time he's doing it.
Not finished yet.
Okay, don't worry. I've done the job, so let's go have a look at it. Okay. Wow. Bro, hey, good job flowing. Good job, man. Nice. Good job, man. Wow. Yeah. They're both good, black or yellow. I like it. I think it stands out. And so what do you guys think? Does it look better? Should we have left it all black? Let's not stop here, guys. Let's start on the next mod. Now we're almost on the final steps. It's time to put the rear brake light back into the boot lid. Well, hold on then. We don't want to use OEM. This is kind of rubbish and it's broken. This is where the bonus mod comes in. Right here. So this is an LED brake light from China, which is going to make the difference. We're going to install it and see how it looks like. We're being a bit dumb, but basically it goes in here first. And then this pops in just like that. Yeah, done it. I haven't seen it before, so it's going to be interesting. Yeah, don't lie to me. Trying to gas me up, guys.
I'm pumping.
Yo, playing, bro. Go ahead. Whoa. Oh yeah, that is so good. That's a massive difference. Come on, man. Although we've done all the mods to the Audi Rs4, something is missing from the back, and I think I know what mod we need to get next. This is going to be crazy. This next mod is going to give the S4 an RS look. Watch out for this one, guys. This is a mod that you don't normally see in the B6. Alright. Ooh. Says there, Marvel tuning. Looks alright. Feels quite sturdy. Now all we need to find out is, let's see how it looks like on the Audi S4. Spoiler is not totally black, so we're going to prime it, spray it, lacquer it before we put it on the S4. Let's spray this. I'll call it the unique B6 RS spoiler. We've just sprayed underneath the spoiler, but once that gets done, we thought it would be a good idea to spray the rear of the bumper trim right here. Because it looks a bit grey, but now we're going to make it gloss black to go with the theme. I'll say it 100 times, black and yellow. We've applied the 3M, we're going to push it all down and do the Tiger Seal. Done. We've done a lot of research on the forums. A lot of people say 3M, a lot of people say Tiger Seal, but from my experience, Tiger Seal works amazing. I don't have much experience with 3M, but they do say good things about 3M, so but apply both. Right guys, we got the spoiler on. We didn't have time to record it because the Tiger Seal was settling, but we got it onto the car, and boy does it look mad. Look at that. Look at that. That is crazy. Obviously, I didn't buy it from the UK. This was made in Bulgaria. 3D printed. The post cost more than the spoiler. But it's looking mad, and that's what's important. I like to say this is one of a kind Audi S4 B6 in this colour. So it makes it super rare. The mod so far with front bumper trim, an LED headlight, an LED brake light, rare spoiler mod, wind deflectors in the window. That's like 5 mods. Just comes to show that every little bit counts and every little mod makes a difference in this car. If you made it this far, guys, it's now time for the final mod. This is what's going to set the entire car off. And for the next mod, we're going to apply these LED number plate lights. We can't leave that standard. So there's the standard ones. That's going to pop here and pop here. So let's get them changed right now. Huge difference. So we're going to whack this on and see how bright this is. Alright. There you go. Go ahead. Whoa. That is massive difference. Look at that. That is bright as anything that is. You ain't going to have no problems with the police seeing a number plate now. It's time to take this beast out for a nice little wash. It's worth making a few cinematics. After all this months of hard work and dedication and installing all the mods in S4 for the first time with no experience, it's time to cherish it. It's time to drive this Audi S4 and I'm so excited, boys. Let's listen to that V8. We'll just get it cleaned up in 3, 2, 1. There we go. The car is cleaned. It's looking absolutely blinging, guys. Look at that, guys. I know I forgot the petrol cap, but we will get that done soon. Come on, guys. That is blinging. I even got the jacket suit, black and yellow. Come on. And it's the quick one, by the way. The Audi S4 is still on raffle for only £8. There's only a limited amount of tickets left. Grab your tickets in the V8 Audi S4. Once the 1,000 tickets are sold, this car is going. And 10% goes to charity, don't forget. So it's a good cause. Wow, that's looking mad. It's so clean. Like, it's just crazy what a car wash can do in the wrap. Look at that. It's just blinging. Well, everything else is like proper dirty and messy. Like, dirty as anything. This one's blinging. Look at it. Whoa. And don't forget, for every person that buys a ticket for £8, you get one of these hood stickers for free. It's a win-win. Every person gets one if you buy a ticket. If you buy 5 tickets, you get a hood stick keyring. So, you know, winner chicken dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Smash that subscribe button if you're new. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. And smash the like button because it helps the video on the algorithm. But drop a comment on what you want to see next with the Audi S4. May the Almighty bless each. Take a seat.
I'd rather not.
I just should have bought some headlights. Just takes way too long. Wait, how far does it go, bro?
You tell me, I don't know.
I just record, like, pretend it's not even happening.